A good-looking roof can really raise the value of a property. Painting the roof not only makes it look beautiful again, but protects it for years to come. In this movie, we'll be painting a roof to give it a new lease of life. The standard preparation for a roof is to pressure wash the entire roof to remove any flaking paint and to get rid of dust and other dirt. Use a pressure washer with a long hose from the machine to the nozzle that will give you access to all parts of the roof while the machine remains on the ground. Being in the sun, the roof will dry very quickly and you should be able to start applying the roof paint within 1 hour. There are roof paints for various types of roofs. Plascon have New Roof, which is a water-based acrylic for all types of roofs that is guaranteed for 7 years. Application can be done using a roller and brush, or the product can be sprayed to speed up the application. Start at one end of the roof, and by the time you get to the other end, the first section will be ready to overcoat. Each coat will dry in about 2 hours, so you can finish 2 coats in 1 day if using a spray machine. The job, including pressure washing, usually takes 2 days to complete if you're spraying and about 5 days if you're rolling and brushing for a standard house. It is physically demanding. You will be up and down a ladder all day, so it's a good idea to get a couple of helpers. I would certainly recommend spraying. You should be able to hire a pressure washer and a spray machine for the weekend, but check the price of a professional. They have their own equipment and might not cost very much more than if you do the job yourself. One of the things you don't want to do is put one thick coat onto a roof. The roof is the hottest place on the house, and if you put on a very thick coat, a skin will form on the surface, trapping the moisture in the paint, which will affect curing. Bubbling will occur, which will cause pinholes in the paint, which may cause it to fail. In addition, mud cracking could occur, which would further compromise appearance and performance. A process of 2 standard thickness coats of roof paint should be applied. One coat will look okay, but the second coat will adhere to the first and give your roof good protection from the sun and other harsh African conditions. This is a difficult and often dangerous job, so be aware of that before tackling it on your own.